Hi, my name is Davide Sola. I'm a professor of strategy and entrepreneurship, and I'm here to introduce you to the Strategy Launchpad, or the Strategy in Action Launchpad. This is a program that I'm inviting you to attend. There are two sessions on the 1st and the 8th of December of 2 hours each, where you're gonna explore and investigate some of the concepts and theories that will make and could make your strategy even better than what it is. We're going to explore concepts like the vision, mission, and the level of ambition by using the balance scorecard and using our groundbreaking business software called Strategy in Action platform. And during those two sessions, you will do vision, mission, and level of ambition in the first one, and in the second one, you will be able to discuss and answer the question where you play and where you could play, introducing the market matrix. So I'm really very much looking forward to see you on the 1st and the 8th. Sign up in the location that will be followed this little video.